Hello viewers, welcome to the another episode of Height and Distance Trigonometry. We are with episode 7.4. We are still solving the examples. We have not turned up to the exercise till now because I am finding questions from the students to solve examples of different types. So here is one example which is of different type. From the top of a lighthouse 100 meter high, the angle of depression of two ships on opposite sides of it are 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between them to the nearest meter. So now diagram is not given, we will draw the diagram. It becomes easy for us to analyze the whole problem. So let us draw the diagram. So the diagram will be, so AB is the lighthouse, ship D and ship C are on the opposite sides, and the angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse is one is 45 degree and another one is 30 degree. You can take 30 here and 45 here, doesn't matter because it is not asking to a particular ship, that's why. And they are asking us to find out the distance between the two ships. So x plus y is the distance between ship C and ship D. So let us work it out with the tan theta. Here you cannot take sin theta and cos theta because sin theta and cos theta requires hypotenuse. According to our diagram, it is a right angle triangle ABC and right angle triangle ABD. So B is right angle and B is right angle for this one and this one. So hypotenuse becomes AD and AC, that is the distance from the top to the ship C and distance from the top to the ship D. We don't have that one, so we will not take sin theta and cos theta, we will take tan theta. So let us go for that. So here we start with triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, tan theta is equal to AB upon DB, that is opposite upon adjacent. So tan 45 is equal to 100 upon x. The value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to 100 upon x, therefore x equal to 100 meters. So we got the distance between the one ship D and lighthouse. We need to go for the another one. So in triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So AB upon BC. Tan 30 is equal to 100 upon y. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 100 upon y. Y is equal to 100 multiplied by root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732, or you can say 1.73. So multiplying by 100 we get y is equal to 173 meters. Now it is asking you the distance between the two ships. So x plus y. So x 100 plus 173, we get 273 meters. I hope you understood the whole sum. The only thing is that you require is to understanding of the problem and its analysis. We'll move on to another type of sum. Let us move to the another example. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, so after 15 seconds, the angle of elevation definitely is going to change. So it is going to change from 60 degree to 30 degree. If the jet plane is flying horizontally at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of it. So a person is standing at point A, he is observing a jet plane from the ground and it is 60 degree. While after 15 seconds, the angle changes to 30 degree. So let us draw the figure first and then we'll solve it. So the figure seems to be like this. B is a jet and after 15 seconds it moves to C. So B is a point where the jet flies from point B to point C. A person observes the jet plane when it is at point B with a angle of elevation of 60 degree, and when it moves after 15 seconds to point C, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. The jet is moving at a horizontal speed, manner with the same height, that is 1500 under root 3 meters, and we have to find out at what speed the jet is flying. So first of all we will consider the triangle. After drawing the diagram we get the triangle, that is right angle triangle AEB and AFC. So first of all we'll talk about AEB. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 60 is equal to BE upon AE. BE is equivalent to the height, so that is 1500 root 3 upon x, and tan 60 is root 3. So x equal to 1500 root 3 upon root 3. So root 3 to cancel. So we get x equal to 1500. Now we'll talk about the triangle AFC. So AFC, the angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 is equal to CF upon AF. So CF is 1500 root 3 and AF is x plus y. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 upon x plus y. Root 3 goes and multiplies with 1500 root 3 and x plus y goes and multiplies with 1. So x plus y is equal to 1500 multiply root 3 multiply root 3. Root 3 to 3 becomes 3. 3 multiplied by 1500 becomes 4500. This 1500 goes this side, so it becomes 3000 meters. So the distance from point B to C traveling in 15 seconds is 3000 meters. So we get 3000 meters. So here we write point B to point C, it took 15 seconds covering a distance of 3000 meters. Speed is equal to distance upon time. We get 3000 upon 15, that means 200 meter per second. Now converting into kilometer per hour, we have to multiply 200 by 36 upon 1000. So we get 720 kilometer per hour. I hope you understood this sum. I think most of the type of sums are covered. The thing is that you require a little bit of understanding of the problem, knowledge of whether to use tan theta, cos theta or sin theta. Basically in most of the sum tan thetas are preferred, and I hope you will able to find this chapter easy. We'll start with the exercise in the next episode. Thanks very much.